Hi, this is Dr. Christy, and I just wanted to take a minute to talk to you about the latest body contouring devices that are available. They are amazing for treating those problem areas that are just bothering you. And you've worked on it, but you're just not seeing the results because you have an area that the fat just won't go away or the muscles won't build up. And I'm very intrigued by these options. I think they work amazing, and so I'm offering them to my patients now, and I want you to learn about it. So let's talk about fat reduction. The first part of fat reduction that you need to know is that there's 3 ways to remove fat that are not a tummy tuck. Okay, you can suck it out, you can, with liposuction, you can freeze it, or you can use heat. And the one that I think is the best is the heat because it's gentler, it's quicker, and it's very effective. The one that uses the freezing is going to squeeze the fat in between the device. And then when you take off the device, it's going to be a frozen stick of butter there that you have to massage it out. So it's very uncomfortable, and it's not really spreading out like the heat does. Now with the heat, it's a stamp about this big that we've got 6 of them, so we can modify it and individualize it to each patient. And then not only is it going to treat underneath that stamp, but it feathers out around the edges of that as well. So it's really getting in there, really heating up the tissue, and it starts a chain reaction called apoptosis, which is the destruction of the cell. So those cells are gone. It's a process. You have to be patient with it. It does take 12 weeks, but once those cells are gone, they are not coming back. If you're not careful and you don't eat right, the other cells around it will swell up. So you have to take care of yourself. But if you're taking care of yourself, that layer of fat will be gone. And in the studies, on average, the patients lost 24% of their fat layer. So that's really good. It also is great because it's very versatile. We can obviously treat the stomach, that's everybody's biggest area, but also the inner thigh, outer thigh, the bra fat, flank, and even the arms. And even under the chin, we have a special one that just is for right here. If you've got that double chin, it's really good. And it's a lot better than some of the chemical treatments where you might swell up like a bullfrog for a few days. So look at the TrueSculpt ID. I really think it's the best thing out there, and we are seeing great results. We're just getting our first 3-month results of our own and very happy with it. And I think we've got some special techniques that we're doing here that allow us to get to target temperature for a longer period of time. So you're going to get more bang for your buck. The other thing that's exciting, that's very new, which at first I was really skeptical about it, it's called TrueSculpt Flex, and it's for muscle building. And I thought, why would anybody do that when they can work out? But a lot of people love it because you don't have time to work out. You know, I barely have time to work out and build up the muscle that I need, and especially in my core. I really need my core strength for my back. I have a physical job and I'm getting older, so the TrueSculpt Flex is great. And we're seeing even orthopedic surgeons are using it for function, not just for form, not just to look good. But it is electrical energy that's going to build up the muscle, and you can do it on your stomach, your arms, your legs. It's going to build a 6-pack. It does take about 3 weeks, but that's not bad. You come in twice a week for 3 weeks. If you're already somewhat fit, it only takes 2 weeks. So it's a really good option to get that core strength, build up the muscle, and have a beautiful form and have the body that you kind of dream of. Those areas that you just always bothered you. So anyway, I hope that helps you as you're learning about these different options that are out there. I think we've got some really great things going on right now, and we'd love to hear from you. So give us a call. Have a great day. Bye.